key factor for developing longer-lasting agrofilm is to understand that it's not everything is about the UV stabilization on that agrofilm, and that longer-lasting life of the agrofilm should be also developed with at least three other very important factors. The first one would be that we need also, and the tendency is that we need lower thickness in our films, because everybody wants to use less plastic and avoid plastic use and plastic waste. Another very important factor is that the agrofilm itself and also the additives that we use to increase the long life of the agrofilm should be very resistant to the agrochemicals that will always be used to increase the productivity of the crop. And a third one would be that everything that we develop should contribute, or at least not to have a negative effect, for the recyclability of the plastic films used in agriculture. Chemical resistance is very important, especially the resistance to chlorine and sulfur-based agrochemicals. We see that the most effective additives that we use currently to stabilize the agrofilms are the indirect amine-like stabilizer, the HALs. And those HALs are with very different chemical resistance levels. We can find HALs with very low chemical resistance, but also HALs with a very high chemical resistance. So when we are making a formulation for agrofilms, we need to keep in mind the agrochemicals that are being used, and based on that, and that's one of a very important factors to select the type of additive that we are going to use for the UV stabilization. Well, I hope that the delegates will take at least two things from my session. The first one will be the specific solution that we are showing for many applications for the agrofilms. The second one, and maybe more important, is that we are available. We are available like a reliable partner to develop new solutions for your specific applications. We have participated in this important event many times, as attendees sometimes, and also as a sponsor several times. And every time we find very high value in the interaction with the experts across all the value chains in the agriculture. The interaction with those experts are very important because it helps us to focus our new developments. It is also very important because we get information about specific needs, so we can adjust and apply our technology from a chemical point of view to a real requirements of the agricultural market.